Hello, welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Today I'm just going to share how I tidy my home and do a little bit of cleaning now that we're staying home more often. Today the boys are helping me tidy up their toys, and I had to laugh when I lifted up this Lego and it fell apart. I was trying my best, but Emmett had to fix it up after he put it back in his room. I like to use bins to help clean. It just makes it so much easier to fill a bin and take it where it needs to go. Stay to the end to see a little mini tour of our clean home. I have two tablecloths that I switch out every few days, and I like a tablecloth. It just keeps my table a lot nicer and it's very easy to clean. Just pull it off, shake it out, and wash it. There are always so many shoes everywhere. That's one thing that has been driving me crazy since everyone's home. They've been helping, but I had to scream here for everyone to hurry up and come get the pillows out of this tent. I like this tent because it's so easy to store away. It only takes a second to roll it up and they can put it up themselves. So this is a really fun thing for them to play with, especially since we've been home so often. In the hall here you can see a box, and this day we were getting an exhaust fan installed, which is really exciting, and our bathrooms won't be steamy and hot anymore. With young kids, vacuuming is a daily chore. If I don't vacuum every day, I vacuum at least every other day. And I just love this Dyson. I find it has worked better than any vacuum I've ever had in the past. One amazing side effect of decluttering and becoming more minimal is how much quicker and easier it is to tidy and clean my home. Now I'm just doing some dusting in my bedroom. It has been kind of breezy here, so I have needed to do this for a little while now. I'm using my all-purpose Grove Collaborative cleaning spray, and I have a link below if you're interested in where I get my cleaning products from, and you can find that in the description box below. Side note about this little area here, this is way too cluttered, and I'm gonna redo this. I'm gonna do a full video on it because when we first moved in here, I just threw everything here. I really love these photos, but it's just too much, and I'm thinking about decluttering this, so I'll get into that in a coming video. And then I want to do some art for here. I just have a really cool idea for this room. It's gonna be in phases, but I thought I would just address the fact that this is way too cluttered for me. I always like to vacuum after I dust, so that way if any dust fell on the ground, I can suck it up in my vacuum. And like I said, I'm going to be redoing this room eventually, but for now, I like the way it's looking. And there's always something like this that happens, and I just have to laugh. We do not have a dishwasher, so I guess technically I am the dishwasher and the dryer all in one. I don't really mind it too much. With everyone home, it has become a little bit more to do than usual, only because now we have all four of us home all day, eating all three meals here. So it's a little bit more work, but everybody's been chipping in to help. time, I like to try to wash all the dishes, dry them, and put them all away in one go because I find it's much nicer to come back to the kitchen completely clean with everything put away. I was getting tired of the dishes, so I decided to clean the mirrors with my glass cleaner from the Grove Collaborative. Again, that will be down in the description box below. Now I'm just finishing up the kitchen and I have my little helper here. He actually has been really helpful this day to clean and put some stuff away. And now for the mini home tour. I love plants, and at this point I probably have too many. Since moving into this house, we painted the kitchen white and we put in new linoleum. Here is our dining room and our living room. This room doesn't have a TV, so I find it very relaxing. I can read a book, and eventually we want to put in a gas fireplace so that way we can have some ambiance as we relax. Here is our family room with the only TV in the whole house inside this room, and we did get a new couch a few months back because our old one was literally falling apart. And here is our bedroom. It's mostly white and gray, and like I said, I have a bigger plan for this room, but I'm in no rush to change anything right now. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to never miss a video. You can click right here to see our full decluttering playlist, and I'll see you next time. Bye!